homeschoolers! Today we're doing a flip through of one of the two curriculum books that I will be using for our music studies here in homeschooling. It is the Progressive Recorder Method for Young Beginners, Book 1. And I will also link it in the drop box below for you in case you want to check it out further. Let's go ahead and get started. As I flip through the pages, I will also be sharing an overview of this book, so feel free to listen as you look at the individual pages. The Progressive Recorder Method for Young Beginners Book 1 is published by Koala Music Publications. This book is intended to teach introductory lessons of playing the recorder to grades preschool through 3rd grade. This is a lesson-by-lesson curriculum, making it easier for your child to remember concepts from previous lessons. A wonderful perk of this music curriculum is it comes with access to free audio and video examples for each lesson. It also is easy to get the link by smartphone, which I really love. I just used my smartphone camera to scan the QR code inside of the book, and it took me directly to where I needed to be for the free audio. This curriculum can be used by itself along with the recorder instrument, obviously, but I do recommend also getting the Progressive Music Theory curriculum. I will link that curriculum in the drop box below as well as the flip through of that book that will be linked there too, so you can investigate it more. The music theory curriculum does offer more in-depth understanding of music literacy. That is why I think both books should be used hand in hand, which is what we are doing. Both books are very affordable, so it won't break the bank either to use both books. I do feel this curriculum jumps right in and can be pretty fast-paced. The good thing is that a recorder is a very simple instrument to use, so the fast pace isn't too big of a deal. Just remember, you can choose the pace at which you go through this book. We will be slowing down and probably repeating a lesson for a week. So 1 lesson per week, and that's how we'll try to master it. We'll do that before moving on so we can make sure that we're fully grasping the concepts, the songs, and the use of the instrument as we work our way through this book. Another important detail about this book is the illustrations are very colorful and draw attention to them, and the illustrator did a wonderful job of creating illustrations that help you grasp the lesson concepts. In the middle of this book, there is also a tear-out poster to hang in your learning space to help your little ones remember things that they are learning about. If you would like to see a flip through of the music theory curriculum I mentioned in this video that goes alongside with the recorder curriculum, click the video on the top next to me. I'll see you over there in that video. Have fun homeschooling.